welcome back, lovely ladies and gents. This is the DMV Wig Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. And today, I am coming before you as a strong hairstylist during the corona outbreak. We got our hazmat suit on. And the reason why we have this suit on today is because, and look at my hair. All right. This is a lace front unit, custom made with our chic couture hair, raw coarse hair. But anyways, if you're interested in our units, please feel free to inbox us with more details. But today we will be addressing further protocols and things that we will be taking for clients who have weakened immune system. Because I know a lot of you guys are still scared of coming to the hair salon. But girl, you better get ready, because I heard a lot of y'all jobs are about to call y'all back on to work. So I don't know what y'all gonna do. I have some family members who told me, and close friends who told me that they not going back. They said they gonna tell people that they got the coronavirus. But what I will tell you, there was a story on, I think a couple of days ago, a young Caucasian brother. He was somewhere down south. He had the nerve to tell his boss that he's not coming to work and he has the coronavirus. So guess what the boss did? Being the responsible, I think he had a plant, plant owner. Like down south they have a lot of plants and places where they have a lot of people working in the factories. So he closed down his entire factory because he was still allowing his people to come to work. He shut down the entire factory, child. So they lost money behind that, and eventually that young gentleman went to jail. So it's getting serious out here, and it's kind of sad, but people do have to go back to work. We have to make a living and do all these things. I know, because y'all gonna have to be like me. Look at me, child. I'm looking like Missy Elliott. I got my. I told my husband that I was gonna start dancing. I can't stand the rain. That's what I feel like right now, child. This is an extra, 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 extra large. Okay. I'm gonna get you, Malik. I'm a medium. I am extra medium. So, anyways, we are just letting you know. A lot of people. There's some people out here, I call them bitter betties. Let me sit my tail down because I'm about to get tired, because I know I'm going to be running my mouth today. There's a lot of bitter betties who are saying that people should not be online talking about the coronavirus. They need to get offline and heal and all this stuff. First of all, if you feel that way, you don't need to be online. Yes, you don't need to be online. Okay? But business owners, we are supposed to be online. We've been informed by various different outlets about, just comforting our clients and helping them during this time, and let them know the different safety measurements that we will be taking to help them. And I know a lot of you may feel like, why in the world did she buy this? I did not buy this necessarily for a funny thing, as a marketing employee. However, one of the main reasons I bought this is because I have a client. Now, she has a weak immune system. And it's saying some of y'all walking around here all suited and booted up like you're going to catch corona. I saw this one person. She had a complete trash bag wrapped around her whole entire body with masking tape. You know what? But, I guess you got to do what you got to do. A lot of y'all about to go back to work. So y'all better get ready. Y'all scared to come up in these establishments and businesses. What y'all gonna do when y'all go back to work? Y'all better get y'all a suit like me. And a mask. And your gloves. I had a nurse that was in here the other day. She said that it's very important if you wear, to purchase you some gloves. Also wear goggles, because the main way how people contract the disease is through touching things and touching your face. She said touching the mucous membranes like your mouth, eyes, and your nose. So that's how people is contracting the virus. And I guess if you're around people, maybe they touch something, or if they just spit in your face. I mean, what you're saying. I know nowadays people, they're not even going to let people get nowhere close to them. So I guess maybe just somebody sneeze in your face by accident. That's how a lot of people are contracting the virus. So anyways, we got this suit because we had a client. She was a cancer sufferer, and she told us that she was very scared to come to the salon. She pretty much had been told by her doctor that she needs to not be outside at all because her immune is in a weakened position. So, I mean, if you're one of those people, we totally understand. But we do have, this is our quarantine room. That's what I call it. And pretty much, as you see, we try to keep it neat as we can. And all the sections and areas in the shop, and especially in the quarantine room, this is for the weakened immune systems or people who are just very, very frightened about the coronavirus in general. So anyways, we are spraying down with our disinfectants, sanitizing the areas that the clients will be standing at. And we even have, I know a lot of y'all don't believe in salt lamps, but this is an actual salt lamp. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, look. I hope you, okay, there you go. It's a salt lamp that has a candle in it, and salt lamps are humidifier. The video ended. And with this humidifier, it actually, draws out all types. It helps with chemicals, VOCs, gases, and I believe it helps with, viruses and dust and everything, and it cleans the room. And when you're doing this, you can close the door so you can feel nice and safe. Okay, and then also something that we're doing, any of our clients that's coming in, that every time, I know they've been laughing at me, every time somebody goes to the bathroom, we will be spraying all areas that people normally touch. So make sure that all the areas are being cleaned and disinfected. And I'm like, look, y'all need to make, since some of y'all scared to come to the hair appointments, which, thank God, I've been blessed. I'm still been doing decent and good during these times. But, I mean, I could have had probably even more clients to come. But some are just, they're really highly concerned. So, some of y'all scared to come here. Number one, it's not going to be more than 10 or generally more than 5 people here at one time. I'm not even bringing my assistant in because I want to keep as little amount of people as possible. But on the second thought, some of y'all concerned about coming to the hair salon. Y'all need to be probably concerned about going to the grocery store. I went out to eat the other day, and they weren't spraying a lot throughout every client that comes in there. So we are taking we're going through extreme measures at Main Attractions, which is kind of being part of our practice anyway. And this is the seating area when you first come in the salon. So when you first come in the salon, when you first walk in, this area has already been disinfected, and every person that comes in, I re-spray it. So, and we have a EPA approved disinfectant, so it cleans everything. It's 99.9% effective, and it even kills AIDS. We also clean the doors and everything. All of our cakes will be sanitized, disinfected, and so will when we go into the washroom. So will your hair also. The sink bowls will be taken care of. So have no fear. The weave doctor is here. And I told my, I've been making myself laugh. I said I was going to give y'all a Missy Elliott interpretation because that's what I feel like right now. I can't stand. So anyways, don't have no fear. Feel free to book, because it seems like a lot of people's jobs, like I said earlier, are letting them, they're making them come back in. So we're just going to have to get readjusted dealing with this this viral type of outbreak. And in the near future, I plan on offering masks. So, people, they want to purchase the mask. And if you're just watching my videos and you want to purchase the correct mask, because there are a lot of people buying the wrong mask. They think they doing something, got that little cheap blue mask. It has no filter in it. Girl, you are not blocking anything. Okay, you barely even blocking the dirt and the dust from outside. How you think you going to kill corona with that? Okay? So, you have any more questions, please feel free to write it in your comments or inbox us. We have a lot of information. And if you're a stylist, want to know about disinfectants, we can help you with that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe, but not overly safe. All right, you guys have a great day and enjoy yourself.